Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this is Ohm's law experiment. As you can see here, that is our power supply. Or we can call it battery. Those are the terminals of the battery. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. This knob here will let us control the voltage applied to the resistance, and this is our resistance. This is our resistance. So basically, this is the symbol of the resistance, and this is the symbol of the power supply. And as you can see, we have a wire attached to one part of the resistance, and then a wire will go back to close the circuit. This is the circuit that we draw before. A battery and resistance. That's a little ugly. Let me just fix it. Battery and resistance. Here we need to measure the current, so we need to break the circuit and force the current to go through the ammeter. As we talked before, this is put on the 20 amp. This is the common of the ammeter, and we put it here if we want to measure current. If we want to measure voltage, we need to put it here. So here for the voltage, and here for the current. And as you can see, we break the circuit, current is forced to go into the ammeter and then continue back to the circuit. If you want to measure the voltage, it's very simple. We just measure the voltage across the two terminals of the power supply. So that's the first part. For the second part, we put two resistances in series. And then we connect them to the power supply. To measure the current, we break the circuit. You see here, this wire, we just remove it, break the circuit, and force the current to go through the ammeter. For the voltage, it's very simple. We just put the voltmeter across the terminals of the power supply. And then to measure the equivalent resistance, we remove the circuit, the resistances from the circuit, and we measure it directly using the ammeter, and we put the sign on ohm. That's the sign of resistance. For the parallel circuit, we have two resistances and we connect them to each other. And then connect them to the power supply. So this is like, we connect them together. And then we connect them to the power supply. To measure the current as usual, we break the circuit. We force the current to go through the ammeter. And the current after that will go through the two resistances. To measure the voltage, the circuit will stay the same, and I'll put the two wires on the two terminals of the power supply. To measure the equivalent resistance, I remove the two resistances from the circuit, keep them connected in parallel, and measure their resistance with the ammeter. That's the experiment. Thank you for your time.